Proving equivalence in 80 seconds, let's go. This is a super common type of question in exams, guys, but luckily when we know how to do it, it's not actually too bad. Let's have a look. It asks us to show that 2 times by x squared plus 2x plus 3x times by 2x plus 1 is equivalent to x times by 8x plus 7. What are we going to do? What we're going to have to do is rewrite the left-hand side of our equality, showing that it's exactly the same or can be written in exactly the same way as the right-hand side. Let me show you what I mean. So first of all, we're going to simplify the left-hand side by expanding our brackets. What's that going to give us? 2 times by x squared, that's going to be 2x squared. Then we're going to have 2 times by 2x, that's going to give us plus 4x. Next up, 3x times by 2x, that's going to give us plus 6x squared. Next up, 3x times by 1, that's going to be plus 3x. Now, guys, we can simplify this by collecting our like terms. What are we going to have? We're going to have 2x squared plus 6x squared is 8x squared. 4x plus 3x, that's going to be 7x. Now, what can we do? Finally, to write this in the same form as this, we see that we're going to need to pull out the common factor of x. Let's get it done. So pulling out a factor of x, what do we times by x to get 8x squared? We times it by 8x. And what do we times by x to get 7x? We times it by 7. So we're going to have x times by 8x plus 7. And we can see, guys, that we've written this left-hand side in exactly the same form as the right. So we've got our answer.